Hello, and welcome to the Arcserve Unified Data Protection video series. In this video, you'll learn how to get started using Arcserve UDP Agent for Windows. Open the application from the Windows Start menu and enter a username and password to log in. CA Arcserve UDP displays the Getting Started window, which offers quick links to videos, product documentation, and the configuration settings, which I'll explain in a few minutes. You can hide this screen if you like. Click Close. These options are also available from the taskbar on the home page. This is the CA Arcserve UDP Agent interface, which lets you manage backup servers and workstations, monitor job performance, obtain backup statistics, initiate data protection tasks, socialize with the user community, and get help, all from a single easy-to-read homepage. Let's take a closer look at the homepage, starting with the Job Monitor. If no job is currently running, the Job Monitor shows the date and time of the next scheduled event and the type of event to be performed. But when a job is running, the monitor expands to display the type of job and estimated time until completion. You can click the Detail button to open the Backup Status Monitor and display more details about the current job running, such as the progress, phase, and throughput information. The Summary panel provides a quick and easy high-level status of your backup health. Easy-to-read icons provide a quick visual indication of the recent status and indicates the urgency of any actions you must take. Information such as the status of the last backup job performed, how many recovery points have been saved, in relation to your configured retention count, how much free space remains at the destination, and if there are any new updates available for the UDP agent. Now, if there's a case where backup failed because of a license validate failure, the status for the license failure will display here too and indicate the cause of the failure. Also, if a file copy was performed, the status of the last file copy will display here as well. The Protection Summary panel displays details for each type of backup job: full, incremental, and verify, as well as for each file copy job and each copy recovery point job. Beneath the Status Summary panel is the Most Recent Events section. This part of the home page displays the most recent events, with the corresponding status, the type of event performed, the date and time of the event, the size of the data protected from the source, the amount of space occupied or saved at the destination, and the status of the corresponding file copy job. Using the calendar view, you can click on a specific date to display the corresponding events for that date. The color shading provides a quick overview of the event status of that day. If the date is shaded in green, it indicates that all backup attempts for that day were successful. Red indicates that all backup attempts for that day were unsuccessful, failed, or canceled. And yellow shading indicates that backup attempts for that day were not all successful or not all unsuccessful, a mix of backup attempts. And the diagonal marker in the top left corner of a date indicates that the day contains the start of a recovery set. The Functionality taskbar section of the home page provides a means to initiate the various CA Arcserve UDP agent functions. From here, you can immediately launch a full, incremental, or verify backup based on your current backup settings. Perform a restore to the original location or to an alternate location. You can select which method of restore you want to use to locate the backup image to be restored. Configure or modify your settings. Specify which recovery point you want to use to create a copy. Mount a recovery point to a volume or an NTFS folder to view, browse, copy, or open the backup files directly in Windows Explorer. And view logs of activities that are performed during operations such as backup, restore, and copy. The Support and Community Access taskbar section of the home page provides a means to initiate the various support-related functions. From here, you can visit our complete one-stop knowledge center for all product-related information, view various CA Arcserve UDP how-to videos, access our online support from where you can quickly resolve issues, get direct access to the CA Arcserve UDP development team from where you can ask your own questions, share ideas, and report any problems, and utilize our live chat to provide real-time intelligent conversation between you and the CA Arcserve UDP support team. The first time you launch the CA Arcserve UDP agent, you should configure your various settings. You can configure these settings directly from the Getting Started screen or from the taskbar, Just click the link and specify the backup settings: file copy settings, copy recovery point settings, and preference settings. For more information about these settings, see the CA Arcserve UDP product documentation or view the How to Configure Backup Settings videos in this series. That's it. This concludes our video. Thanks for watching. For more information on the features and benefits of this application, please read the documentation or visit the Arcserve Unified Data Protection Knowledge Center.